Hello again and welcome back to Aegis Armors. Today's video is all about brake caliper painting. If you want to transform the look of your car, this is a nice and inexpensive way to do it. Customer brought us in a 2014 Maserati Gran Turismo Sport with factory brakes. We believe at some point someone used an incorrect cleaner that caused the fading. Customer originally wanted to powder coat these, but we explained the process, which is very lengthy, tedious, and costly, as it requires removal of the calipers and disassembly. We offered him a great low-cost alternative, which is G2 caliper paint. This can be done on the vehicle in place. Basically, a thorough cleaning is done, then you mask off everything, apply 4 coats, let it dry overnight. We found some high-temp Maserati stickers to put on, and when we were done, it looked fantastic. This process takes about a day and a half to do complete. If you're interested in doing this to your vehicle, give us a call, 336-570-9790.